Hello everyone, Justin here, and I am back with another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week, everyone, we are going to learn long in the tooth. So, to have a long tooth or long teeth, it's an interesting idiom, so let's find out what it means and how to use it. But first, as always, let's start with a quick review of last week's lesson. All right, everyone, so imagine I say, fewer and fewer people are visiting our homepage, and that's a big issue. So yes, you think that this is a problem. So how do we say this using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said that's a red flag, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's move on to long in the tooth. All right, now this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, it is kind of a special day at the office because it's my good friend and colleague Taro. It's his birthday. So I say, hey Taro, I hear it's your birthday today. Happy birthday. Many happy returns. Taro says, yeah, thank you, but I'm getting old. Okay. Yes, all of us are getting older and older day by day, year by year, decade by decade, unfortunately. But that's how life works, right? Now, okay, although this is fine, yeah, I'm getting old, you might hear a native English speaker say this, thank you, but I'm getting a bit long in the tooth. Long in the tooth. Okay, so as you get older, this is kind of interesting, you'll notice that your gums, okay, like the pink sort of meat in your mouth, okay, that's above your teeth, you'll notice that they kind of get shorter and shorter, and it makes your teeth get longer and longer, okay? It looks like your teeth are getting longer and longer. And this is a sign of age, okay? Your gums are receding, and it makes your teeth look longer, so you're getting older, you're a bit long in the tooth, okay? But I hear, interesting, if you floss properly, if you're flossing your teeth enough, then you can prevent your gums from receding too quickly. Okay, just something my dentist told me. Okay, anyways, all right, everyone, so long in the tooth, okay? Now, the pronunciation is as you see it here, so please repeat after me. Long in the tooth. Your turn. Long in the tooth. Okay, now after my sentence here, hey, I hear it's your birthday today. Happy birthday. You say, thank you, but yeah, I'm starting to get a bit long in the tooth, okay? I'm starting to get a bit old. All right, so please remember this for next time. Okay, everyone, so our bonus question this week is another way to say don't have enough resources. All right, so we covered this in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, so take a look if you have the time. If you know the answer, feel free to leave it in the comments below, okay? All right, everyone, so that is it for me this week. Thank you always for watching the channel. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.